Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Started touching up the hooves and stuff on the hobby horse, and the wind picked up here and it just got where I couldn't, so this is stop for today. And I actually had a wood burner, one of the old ones, and I'd heat it up with my torch to get it hotter, and I put that brand in there. That's going to be for Jackson's last name, and I don't want to leave that plaque on there. That man made this. He's got every right to have his plaque on there. And I'll tell Jackson's daddy I'll leave that on there, and it's only right. But I just took a little round thing and kind of did it. I'm not that artistic as far as being able to freehand stuff, and I was kind of looking at this wheel I had for my grinder, and I said, I can make a pretty M. So it looks decent enough. And got the hooves and the saddle to paint, and the tail and the mane, and make some reins. And I'll be through with this project. And got another one I'm working on. I'll show y'all that, not today, but in another video. And that's what we got. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.